Do you know the health benefits of parsnips? These cream-colored root vegetables, scientifically known as Pastinaca sativa, are not only delicious but also packed with numerous nutrients that promote good health. Diving into the first benefit, parsnips are rich in antioxidants. These essential compounds combat harmful free radicals in the body, which are linked to various health conditions. By reducing oxidative stress, parsnips can help manage respiratory, cardiovascular, renal, and biliary diseases. Moreover, they are an excellent source of vitamin C and E, which are known for their immune-boosting properties. And they also contain other compounds with anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antimicrobial, and even antidepressant properties. Moving on to the second benefit, parsnips support digestive health. They are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber in parsnips acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and improving your overall intestinal environment. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements. To paint a picture, a single cup of sliced raw parsnips provides 6.5 grams of fiber, a significant portion of your recommended daily fiber intake. Thirdly, parsnips are excellent for boosting immune function. Thanks to their richness in vitamin C, an important micronutrient known for its role in various cellular functions, parsnips can enhance your immune defense. Additionally, these root vegetables are rich in flavonoids, which offer anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antioxidant, and antiviral benefits. The fourth benefit lies in weight management. Parsnips are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent addition to a well-balanced diet for those looking to shed a few pounds. 1 cup of sliced parsnips provides 6.5 grams of fiber and just 100 calories. To summarize, parsnips, with their high antioxidant content, can help fight harmful free radicals. They support digestive health by providing a healthy dose of fiber. They boost immune function with their vitamin C and flavonoid content, and they aid in weight management due to their low-calorie, high-fiber content. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some parsnips.